Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here at the Via at Braemar luxury apartment complex right here on Braemar Avenue in New Kingston. Well, we'll be doing a drone video. We'll be taking a update look on this apartment complex. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to also leave your comment. Don't forget to share as well, guys. So we're over 10,000 and we're gonna continue to showcase the beauty of Jamaica to the world. So definitely stay tuned. So of course, as I mentioned, this is a drone video, so I'll definitely be setting up the drone to give you guys some aerial view of this luxury apartment complex in New Kingston. We've done previous videos on it, so this is just a update. So I'll put the link for one of the previous videos in the comments, so you guys can check out that and see where this construction is coming from. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share as well. Initially, this apartment complex was being marketed as a affordable middle income housing solution. But you know, a lot of backlash came after that, because the starting price on some of these units, studios, was like 27 mil. So for a typical middle income earner like a police, a nurse, a teacher, you know, those persons cannot afford these mortgages, which should have been over 150 million Jamaica, being that the starting price was like 27 mil Jamaican dollars. So a lot of backlash was there, but I think for the most part this entire luxury living is already sold out. You know, a lot of apartments going up and they are being sold out. As we Jamaicans would say, they're all sell off, or all of them sell off. So yeah, so just a quick update for you guys. Right in front of it, over this side as well, they're clearing an empty lot to do a construction. So Via at Braemar will be getting a neighbor. For this construction, what stood out to me from day one is that they didn't just leave the place ugly. They put up this decorative thing on their perimeter wall. Two things: to advertise the property, and at least you could have a look of what it's going to look like when it's finished, and also to help with the aesthetics of the community. I really like that. And over abroad, I see it a lot more when they're doing construction. They really allow the place to look nice despite the construction. So Via at Braemar, again, definitely wait for the drone video. Alright, so we see windows are in, doors are in, the scaffolding and the protective material around the construction is hiding some of the design elements, but I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So once, you know, the construction progresses, we can get to see some better views as well. I'm seeing some green elements. I don't think the windows will be green. I think that's the plastic wrapping on the windows. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Probably that's the protective film for the windows. So you guys can let me know. So it's in a community that's mainly apartment complex townhouses. You hardly have single family homes, probably one or two. Alright, so some townhouse. So the workers, it's a mixture of our locals along with Chinese workers. Since the big I would say construction or development on the Palisades Strip, where they lined the entire Palisades Strip with boulders. That was one of the first contract the China Harbor Engineering Company got. And then from that project years ago, probably 10 years by now, or about 7 years, there's just been an influx of projects being done by the Chinese. Most of them the same China Harbor are subsidiaries of the China Harbor Construction Company. Most of these mega apartments, you have Chinese workers, and it's the Chinese contractors getting the contract as well. I'm thinking that probably they commit to cheaper prices than some of our local contractor, along with the experience, the speed of construction, and probably, you know, just the reliability. I guess that's why so many of these current construction are being done by China Harbor. Beside it is the boot camp, which is a gym right here, and then this is the zinc lot, which is gonna get some development real soon. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. Alright, so some excavation has started on this lot. Pretty decent size. Alright guys, so definitely stay tuned. We will be sending up the drone, so you guys stay tuned for some drone shots.